Before you begin, make certain that you're sitting in a sturdy, straight back chair with your feet flat on the floor. The first stretch is neck flexion. Bend your head forward as if you are bowing your chin to your chest. Now sit upright. Clasp both hands behind your head. With gentle pressure from your hands on the back of your head, flex down, exhaling out of your mouth as you flex down. Hold for the count of 2. Lift your head, inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. Repeat, flex down, exhale out of your mouth. 1, 2, inhale, lift your head. Last time, flex down, exhale out of your mouth. 1, 2, inhale through your nose, lift your head. The next stretch will be a neck flexion with your head rotated at a 45-degree angle. Using the same body mechanics, place your hand on the back of your head, flexing gently forward, exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the same 2 counts, inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. Repeat. And the last time, exhaling out of your mouth, flex your head, hold for the count of 2, inhale through your nose, lift your head. Now rotating your head to the left, place your left hand at the back of your head, flex down, exhaling through your mouth, holding for the count of 2, inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. I may be doing it a little fast here, but you can slow it down. Make sure you feel the stretch on the back of your neck. One more time. Exhale, flex your head. Inhale through your nose, lift your head. Now we'll do a neck flexion at a 45-degree angle using the opposite hand. Rotate your head to the right. Using your left hand, gently flex to the side, exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the same count of 2 like before, inhaling as you return. Again, flex to the side. And remember, keep your head at a 45-degree angle. Gently flex, hold for the count of 2. Exhaling as you flex, inhaling as you lift your head. If you feel any pain, discontinue this flexion. Repeat again. Flex, exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the count of 2, inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. Turn your head 45 degrees to the left, and with your right hand, flex your head to the right, exhaling out of your mouth as you flex, holding for the count of 2, inhaling as you lift your head. Repeat. Exhaling out of your mouth as you flex, holding for the count of 2, inhaling in through your nose as you lift your head. If you feel any pain on this stretch, discontinue. And now, lateral side neck flexion. Tilt your head to the right and using your right hand, flex towards your shoulder, exhaling out of your mouth. Remember, it should be a light pressure from your hand. Exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the count of 2, inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. Repeat. Exhaling out of your mouth, flexing to your right, holding for the count of 2, inhaling as you lift your head. Let's switch over to the other side. Flex to the left, and with your left hand, gently flexing to the left towards your shoulder. Exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the count of 2. Inhaling through your nose as you lift your head. Keep your body stable. Only your head and your neck should be flexing. Now rotation. Rotate your head all the way to the right. Place your right hand over your left ear and your left hand behind your head and over your right ear. Now rotate all the way to your right, exhaling out of your mouth as you rotate, holding for the same count of 2. Inhaling through your nose as you release. Again, rotate to the right, exhaling out of your mouth, holding for the count of 2. Inhaling through your nose as you release. Check the pressure. If there's pain, discontinue. Now rotate your head to the left with your left hand placed over your right ear and your right hand behind your head and over your left ear. Using both hands with gentle pressure, rotate to your left. Remembering to exhale through your mouth as you rotate, holding for the count of 2, inhaling through your nose as you release. Very good. And this concludes our cervical or neck stretches. Go ahead and just stretch front, side, back, side. Go ahead and go the other way too. Side, front, side, back. Doesn't that feel good? Inhale through your nose. Exhale.